There is the asteroid belt with Earth, ice and rocks. Then there's giant Jupiter with its great big red spots. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Sun, Neptune. Last of all, there's Pluto too. Saturn is the next planet. Its rings are very wide. Uranus also has rings and spins round on its side. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Last of all, there's Pluto too. Neptune's the last gas giant and Pluto's last of all. It's not classed as a dwarf planet because it's very small. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Last of all,